Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kinkycurly Africa and you're so welcome. So in today's video guys, I received so many DMs, so many compliments, so many questions from people telling me that, oh my god, your makeup is so good. How do you draw your brows? How do you do something simple to just get you around for, let's say, a wedding, a job interview, to work, to an occasion basically. So I decided to put this video together for my sisters, my brothers, everybody out there who is interested in learning how to put together simple makeup looks while taking notes of the time and just rushing through quickly and then getting to your events looking really put together, really beautiful and gorgeous. So if you're interested in this video, you definitely want to keep on watching. Let's get right into it. Okay guys, so I'm starting off on fresh skin. I wash my face, moisturize, put a primer. So now I'm going to go ahead with my spoolie and brush down my eyebrows, and then I'm going to go in with a pencil. You can use a pencil, a brow filler, whatever works for you. And I'm going to create very light strokes, light-handedly, across the length of my eyebrow, just following its natural shape whilst holding down the mirror for precision. Now I'm going to go in with the AOA concealer in the shade Warm with my concealer brush, and I'm just going to create very light strokes, also light-handedly, across the length of my eyebrows, just beneath the eyebrows. And then when I'm done, I'm just going to spread the rest of the concealer. This will create a really nice uniform base for my eyeshadow. So I'm just going to do that for the other eye, and then it's time to draw the top of the brows. Typically this is optional. It depends on how you like your brows to look. I like to shape them out completely. Some people tend to leave the top unattended to. So it depends on you. Just choose what works best for you. So then again, I'm just creating very light strokes across the length of my eyebrow, also still following its natural shape, and I'm just extending it so to create a base. What you want to do is to just use a concealer brush. This is small, so it really gets in. As you can see, you just want to tap whilst moving that brush around. Now the tapping motion is going to help the product to stay at exactly where you put it whilst blending it out. What this helps with also is that it keeps the product intact and it doesn't create a mess, and it also helps to give you a really nice coverage. So now starting from the end of the concealer up there, I'm just going to start doing the same tap whilst moving motion to blend out the concealer to get rid of the harsh lines there. As you can see, as I'm blending, it's gently going away. You don't have to worry at all at this stage, because after drawing the brows, you still haven't done your foundation yet, so all those harsh lines and stuff will go. So this is how the brow is looking like. Oh my god, that's so perfect. Anyway guys, I'm going to go in with the SO Aesthetics foundation. This is in the shade number 8, or Kaimbia. It's a made in Ghana. It's a Ghanaian owned brand. It's full coverage. It super stays like the whole day, 4 hours. That's why I really love it. I'm just going to take a few pumps with my Victor Joseph brush. Victor Joseph is a Ghanaian owned brand as well, and they make amazing brushes and product. So I'm just going to make sure I blend in the foundation using the same tap whilst moving motion, and make sure you blend in the excess of the foundation to your neck area to make sure everything matches and is in agreement. So that's how we are looking now. No ashiness. I'm going to go in with my AOA foundation. This is a very dark shade. just going to go in with my contour brush. I'm just going to pick it off the back of my hand, and I'm going to blend it in at the areas I normally do my contour. This may differ per person, just do you. I mean, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not here to tell anybody what to do. I'm just sharing what I do personally with you guys. So I'm just going to blend that in to kind of make my face look more, contoured and stuff. And I'm now going to go in with the same brush, which is kind of wrong, but I use it anyway to just slightly contour my nose. And I'm just putting the excess over my forehead area. Now I have a really small forehead, so this step is not really needed for me, but just do you. Now I'm going to go in with my AOA setting powder. This is a light brown shade, and it's just, I think, a shade or two lighter than my actual shade, so it works perfectly. It's easy to work with for beginners, and like literally anybody can do these processes if you're mindful. So you just want to use a brush to tap it in. I prefer to use a brush because like it's just lighter application. I'm going to go in with this Brazilian Carnival 99 color eyeshadow set. It's from Sarat Cosmetics, which is also a Ghanaian owned brand. And I'm just going to take a precision crease brush, and I'm just going to tap that color in. Now the reason you shouldn't do swipe motion is because it will just make a mess. Number one, the product is not going to stay in place. You're not going to get as full coverage as you want. So after tapping it in, I'm just using this fluffy brush to blend out the harsh lines and make sure everything is really nice and like uniformly blended and in place. And guys, like, just check that out. How is that looking? It looks so beautiful. The color payoff is so cute. It's not too loud, like it's just classy. I'm going to go in with my Finesse palette. I'm just going to go in with a darker shade for my contour. I'm just going to put it back into the areas I put the darker foundation to create the contour look or effect. And then I'm going to go back into the same palette but a lighter shade, and I'm just going to brush it at the areas that I put my highlight. Now what you want to do is to brush it away from your face like this, so that even the excess of the setting powder and all of that is taken off, whilst also blending in the harsh lines that was like a clear demarcation between where your highlight and your contour started and ended. You don't want that. You want to make it all nice and flawless. Now I'm going to go in with my Finesse Cosmetics blush. This is by far my favorite blush yet. Blush. It's my favorite blush yet. It's so calm, but the color payoff is really nice and just classic, and I really love that. Now I'm going to go in with my Lux Organics Hydrating Rose Water. You can use this in your skincare. I use it in my skincare. I also use it as a makeup setting spray, and it comes through for me every single time. This is so hydrating. It locks in the makeup, and it's super affordable. And it's also Ghanaian brand, by the way. Now I'm just going to fan that in to make sure everything is nice and settled in. I'm going to clean off the lip gloss I have, and then I'm going to go in with my lip liner. I'm just going to give my lips a really nice outline. Then I'm going to go in with this pink AOA lipstick. I'm just going to put a little bit of it on my lips, just going to blend that out. And then with my fingers, I'm just going to make sure to blend so that there are no harsh lines here as well. Guys, that pink look is so gorgeous. Now I'm going to go in with my Vita Joseph lip gloss. It's a nude lip gloss, and when you put that over the pink, oh my god, it creates such a beautiful toned down pink. And guys, I can't tell you that I was just so much in love with this. I loved how it turned out. I loved how the products both worked together to create this beautiful look. And guys, was so moisturizing. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. I'm just going to give my lashes a little bit more character, and then I'm just going to go in with this powder brush to press everything in after the setting spray. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you picked up any new tricks, any new tips from this video. I'd like to know if this video has been helpful to you in any way. Please let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoy content like this, you definitely want to give this video a big thumbs up so YouTube knows you enjoy content like this, and I'm gonna keep it coming for you. Anyway guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me on this one again. Make sure you subscribe and share to your friends and family. Let's go together. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.